Okay, Elise, so we're going to review how to create groups. All right, remember, this is when you come in, whatever your website, your Blackboard website looks like, this is what you're going to see. Uh, in your frame, menu frame, you're going to see groups. I changed the name from groups to teams. Okay, so when I click in, if I'm creating a brand new group, because you can see the groups that I have already set up, if I'm creating a brand new group, click Create, click Manual Enroll, type Team 1 or Group 1 if you want to do it that way, Group 1, okay, and then you're going to look at what you're going to give the students access. So by default, Blackboard clicks all of these, or selects all of these. To unselect, so let's say, I think when we had our discussion, you didn't want them to use blogs or email file exchange, uh, journals. I don't know if you want to deselect that task. Okay, we definitely have to have Blackboard Collaborate. Okay, and you notice that this is for every team that you're creating will have all of these tools. So it's up to you to deselect or include all, whatever it is. But every team or every group will have these availability. And you do want to uh, this deselect allow personalization because they're going to come up with all different kinds of colors. All right. Now, how do you add? Remember, I didn't move anything. We're still in groups. How do you add users? Let's see where it says membership. You add users. And the students who are enrolled in your class, when they enroll in English 110 or English 100, whatever you're teaching, all right, every time that the students are enrolled in a class, they're automatically enrolled in Blackboard. So you notice the names come up, and this comes out of CUNY First. Remember, CUNY First and Blackboard are two separate entities. All right, so let's say you've chosen how you're going to form your groups, and let's say you're going to have 4 people. I'm just choosing 4 names. Okay, click Submit. Okay, and you have 4 names. Okay, and then you click Submit. And there you have Group 1. All right. Now, when the students come to teams, when you say, or groups, when you tell them, all right, now it's time for us to work in our groups, the students will only see one group. All right. They will not see everybody else's groups. They have no idea what the names are of the other groups. So you will see all of these groups, but the students will only see the group that they're enrolled in or their group. So now you're in Group 1. Have to memorize anything or anything. These are the names of the students in Group 1. I just chose them. Okay, so you gave them access to Collaborate and Group Discussion Board. When you ask them to go into their groups to work on, you have to give them the assignment, however you do it, because you said this is synchronous. So you might have an assignment already typed up for them and sharing the screen, whatever it is that you're doing. Remember, this is an individual, this is a group collaborate tool. This is not the class tool, the way you and I were doing this. All right. So it's only this group. Okay. And they can come in and join the room. You don't have to schedule anything. They're in there. All right. Each of the students, so you tell them to go into groups. You go into groups, go into collaborate. After collaborate, then tell them to just join in. All right. And that's what this is going to look like. Okay. And I'm just going to close out all of this. All right. Now, if there's anything else that you need to know, just let me know. And with the group, and you can come in. You can come in because it says join the room. So you can come in and see what they're doing. Remember, you have about 5 groups or 6 groups, whatever it is. So you, just like you do in a regular classroom, you walk around the groups, okay, to make sure that they're all on point or if they have any questions. So you can join the room. Let's say the group 1 joining the room. Okay, it'll look just like you normally do. All right. And then you could say if are there any questions or what have you written so far and this and that and those and them. Okay. And you'll allow all of that just like you do in a normal Blackboard class. Okay. If you have any questions, just let me know. I don't know if you text. I don't know if you text. I text you on your birthday to wish you a happy birthday. When you didn't respond, I forgot that you might not know how to text. All right. So anyway, okay. So that's what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks. Bye bye.